Okay, guys, we are back at it with ACON. Went down to a big discount. They were out of compliance and came in for a massive split up to $7.56. And then they uptrended over 100% up to $20 on ACON. I was pointing ACON out to you back on the 21st, where I would point out TNXP to you and explain ACON's reverse split, along with pointing out some fundamentals. Now we see TNXP and ACON from those previous videos, where I would tell you have one chance, have both come in for that explosion. People are catching these along in the Banker with Billy Discord and still holding up on these stocks right now on ACON and TNXP. Give this video a like and share this stuff out somewhere. This is knowledge that changes lives. Now, not all stocks are lucky enough to be blessed with such a bullish uptrend after the split. BLRX, for example, came in for a bit of a came in for a bit of a sell-off after they split they just did today. Now, TNXP, they got to get to that dollar. They're gonna have to do theirs as well. We'll talk more about TNXP and BLRX in the next one. Now we got ACON still holding up with an average volume of 36.18 million. They have a current value of 2.49 million and a free float of 118,000 now. Very small float, and at this price that is up at right now, only big wells and long-term investors want to go in for there. Now, if you are a swing trader, you have the option and opportunity to decide if you are the long-term and or lifetime investor, or if you want to just lock in your 100% of gains here. If you are already one of those people in the Discord who haven't already locked in your gains. And again, I make these videos for the people in the Banker with Billy Discord. Make sure that you are in the Discord to follow on what we have going on. Massive and short interest on ACON. You know what this means? This means that they still have a long ways that they can climb up here on ACON stock. Where right now, even at this current time where we speak, at this current moment, you got extra largest, mediums, and small switching in with an extreme amount of extra largest coming in. And the cost distribution is just now starting down at the bottom. If they end up getting up to $32, this thing is just going to take off. It's going to be nothing holding them back from there. So you might like this stock a little bit more right now. I already know that you do, especially while you're sitting up over 100%. A stock that's at a point where it's so solid, only long-term investors are gonna go in. They love that balance sheet that they see with that short interest, man. It's like you got the perfect play in there, huh? Now let's for those of you who don't know what ACON is, this is Aclarion is a healthcare technology company. The company leverages magnetic resonance spectroscopy and proprietary biomarkers to optimize clinical treatments. It has developed a software application called NociScan. The software uses existing MRS capabilities of many commercially available scanners to non-invasively analyze the chemical makeup of invertebral disc in the spine. The software post processes the MRS exam data and detects the presence of chemical biomarkers that the company has demonstrated to be associated with degenerative pain and structural integrity in the lumbar disc. It uses a magnet to apply a post magnetic field to a patient, sensors to detect radio waves that emanate from the resonant vibrations of different chemicals in the body in response to the cord to the post magnetic field, and a computer to create detailed images of tissue structures in the patient based on the detected chemical signals. And I hope I read that slow and clear enough for you to understand. If you don't, which is why I had their website up so you can see exactly what it is. Exactly what I just read. And while I was reading that, I could already picture all that in my mind is exactly this. Like I said, they say they got a software that they created that helps them examine the spine and each different point and part of it. The patient is in pain, but which disc are the cause? The NociScan, the first evidence-supported SaaS platform to leverage MR spectroscopy to non-invasively help physicians distinguish between painful and non-painful disc in the spine. Revolutionary. Complete the diagnostic picture. Conventional imaging, lumbar MRI for chronic low back pain offers important structural information, but struggles to identify the actual source of pain. NociScan complements a lumbar MRI with critical pain biomarker data, non-invasive MRS scan done in conventional MRI, and disc pain information without painful subjective provocation. complete the diagnostic. Can I click this? Oh, as I scroll down, it's going 1 plus 2 equals 3. Oh, I see. I mean, well, we already know the source of the pain, objective analysis of pain biomarkers individualized to each patient. Clear, easy to interpret, Naki Plus slash Naki Scan scores for each disc. See where the pain is today and highlight discs to watch in the future. This is actually very interesting. I didn't know that they could do that. I didn't know that they even had technology that even does that. Look at dude. He look like he in pain, bro. He look like he in pain. He want to get that pain gone. He lucky they got that. They blessed to have such a device. So this is a very strong company for the future. Like they say, they're the first, and if they the first and they the best, that means that they setting the foundation for the rest of them as well. We could dive deeper and deeper into here, but that's really what it is. Like one simple Nike scan volumes, and is it a whole full machine right there? They throw you in a whole machine. How it works in the conventional MRI, a simple non-invasive MRI scan gathers raw spectral data on the chemical composition of the lumbar disc. The raw data is sent to the Aclarion cloud, where the base is methods validated by the clinical studies. And the Aclarion proprietary signal processing software and expert system clarifies the signal and transforms the raw data into clear metabolic biomarkers for each disc to show you which and where the exact pain is. Using augmented intelligence and these letters and numbers you see is how they call and certify the disc, your L1 or your L2 disc, and so on and so forth. So using augmented intelligence in a proprietary post-processing algorithm, the Clarion solution analyzes and quantifies the biomarkers data. Yeah, y'all get it, man. They go in the scanner and then they tell you where the best pain is. Y'all get it for instance. Let's go ahead and show your resistance targets, man. So after that big after that big sell off, going down to penny stocks. This remember it just came up from those penny stocks after the split, a 1 for 335 split. Might I add, they still are not even at get this, get this. They still not even back up at those highs yet. Let me take you back to your daily chart so you'll be able to see that gap again. Get this, they're not even up towards that gap yet of $30. And when they even get there, they're not even gonna be overbought there. This could really go to the moon. Yeah, congratulations if you caught the videos in time. And like I said, that $30, I don't say that $30 for nothing. Look, $30 is exactly where that big resistance is at. And when they get past there, it's just going to the moon. If they come out with any catalyst right now, oh man, if they came out with a catalyst right now, would be the time of all times. But one could only hope that they will come out with a catalyst right now. But again, if you were seeing the videos on TNXP and the videos on ACON, and you were in on TNXP and ACON along in the Discord with everybody else, congratulations because it's easy money. We know what you're going for, and it's the same setup, the same strategy every single trade. I'm Billy Banks. I'll see y'all in there. Happy trading. In fact, I was actually just making a video on ACON last night talking about these stocks are about to rally. Yup, that's great. Yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one there. Happy trading.